with the ICRC for about 3 years. I dedicated my life helping others who are in need and protecting those who cannot protect themselves. However, sadly, both the ICRC and my government did not do anything yet to secure my release. So I am appealing again to my fellow citizens and to my family to act swiftly to secure my release, because I know that if you do what you can, we can find a solution to bring me back home safely. My captors have their demands clear, and I fear for my life if action is not taken immediately. I am also appealing directly to the German Chancellor Olaf Scholz. Dear Chancellor, I am counting on your strength and on your compassion. I know that your intervention can make the difference between life and death for me. My life is at stake. And every day that I spend here longer, every moment is taking a heavy toll, not only on my physical, emotional and psychological well-being, but also on that of my family. So I'm asking you to not let this situation escalate any further. I am counting on you that you do not let this tragedy continue for much longer. I am counting on you that you bring this terrible ordeal for me to an end, and that you bring me back home safely, back home where I belong. I thank you for your time and for your attention.